In this presentation, I'm going to show you how to boost membership retention on your membership site. Membership retention should begin the second a member joins your site. The better you can onboard your members, the more likely they will be to renew. Here's how to effectively onboard your new members and increase the likeliness that they'll renew. The first month. When you gain a new member, it is essential that you reach out to them in a timely manner. You want to be proactive and responsive without being too spammy. You can do this by spreading out your communications. Make sure to send a welcome email with their new login credentials to the members-only portal. Make sure you've posted a hearty welcome on your site and follow up with a phone call. Use social media to welcome your new members and prepare to welcome them in your next newsletter officially. The second month. During the second month, you need to deepen the connection with your new members and strengthen their sense of belonging within your company. Take the time to create unique and personal touchpoints for each of your new members. Consider sending a personal note. Be sure to be authentic with this, as your members will appreciate it. Set up a forum or other personalized areas for your new members. Then engage with them in conversation every week and answer any questions they might have. The third month. To boost retention, it is critical that you engage with your new members as soon as possible. By the end of this third month, you should have welcomed, connected, and engaged with each new member in a meaningful way. You can continue to boost retention by sending new members with a calendar of your upcoming events, or reach out to your new members to discuss how their membership is going. You can use this moment to mention upcoming events, referrals, and specific ways they can get involved. Utilizing this 3-month strategy on your membership site will help you to build the connections you need with each new member. Establishing a personal and unique relationship with your new members will increase the likelihood that they will continue to subscribe to your content, effectively boosting your membership site retention numbers.